Today we'll start a new chapter, 8th class maths, comparing quantities using proportion, exercise 5.1, part 1. For more videos on different ratios and proportion problems, like, share and subscribe to the channel. First problem, find the ratio of the following. What is a ratio? A ratio is an ordered comparison of two quantities. A ratio is an ordered comparison of two quantities. So, Smita works in office for 6 hours and Kajal works in office for 8 hours. Find the ratio of their working hours. So, ratio of working hours equal to ratio of working hours of Smita and Kajal is 6:8, that is 3:4. One pot contains 8 liters of milk while other contains 750 ml. So we know that 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. Okay, 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. So because one quantity is in liters here and the other is in ml, we have to convert both of them into milliliters. So the ratio becomes 8000 is to 750 because 8 liters means 8000 ml. So 8000 is to 750, which is equal to 32:3. Speed of a cycle is 15 km per hour and speed of the scooter is 30 km per hour. Because both of them are expressed in kilometer per hour, ratio is 15:30, which is equal to 1:2. If the compound ratio of 5:8 and 3:7 is 45:x, find the value of x. What is a compound ratio? So, two simple ratios are expressed in the form of a single ratio, which is called the compound ratio. How should we find the compound ratio? Compound ratio means product of antecedents to product of consequents. Antecedents means antecedent is the first quantity in a ratio. Consequent is the second quantity. So we have to multiply both the first quantities and then both the second quantities. So compound ratio of 5:8 and 3:7 is 5 into 3. So 5 into 3, which is 15, and then 8 into 7, which is 56. So the compound ratio of 5:8 and 3:7 is 5 into 3 is to 8 into 7, which is 15:56. But given that the compound ratio is 45:x, therefore 45:x equal to 15:56. This can be written as 45 by x. This can be written as 15 by 56. So 45 by x equal to 15 by 56. X equal to 45 into 56 by 15. Therefore x equal to 168. If the compound ratio of 7:5 and 8:x is 84:60, find x. Same problem. Okay. Compound ratio of 7:5 and 8:x is 7 into 8, which is 56, is to 5 into x is 5x. So 56:5x is the compound ratio. But in the question it is given that the compound ratio is 84:60. So let us equate these two ratios. Therefore 56 is to 5x equal to 84:60. So after equating these two ratios, this is equal to 56 by 5x equal to 84 by 60. Therefore 5x equal to 56 into 60 by 84. 5x equal to 40. X equal to 40 by 5. So x equal to 8. The compound ratio of 3:4 and the inverse ratio of 4:5 is 45:x. Find x. Here, what is the inverse ratio? inverse ratio of 4 is to 5 is 5 is to 4. So the antecedent becomes the consequent and the consequent becomes the antecedent. So that is called the inverse ratio. So inverse ratio of 4 is to 5 is 5 is to 4. So now compound ratio of 3 is to 4 and 5 is to 4 is again 3 into 5 is 15 and then 4 into 4 is 16. So compound ratio of these two ratios is 15 is to 16, but it is given in the question that compound ratio is 45 is to x. So again equate these two ratios. 45 is to x equal to 15 is to 16. So 45 by x equal to 15 by 16. X equal to 45 into 16 by 15. Therefore x equal to 16 into 3. X equal to 48. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.